We will ride a tarak in the farm. Ta-da! Where are we going, guys?
Around the farm.
Around the farm.
Wait.
Chase will be our driver. Chase, will you be our driver?
No. Just please don't make it fast. I'm gonna.
Yeah, we'll buy something outside.
Okay,
We'll go to the store. Yeah.
That's working.
Yay! We're here at the farm. Ashlyn's driving.
Move, take like move. I'm not gonna hold anything. Ah!
Whee!
I'm not gonna hold anything. I'm just gonna switch.
Whee! Whee! In the farm.
I'm having fun.
Yay! So, what do you see, Chase? These are banana plants.
Did you ride this going
And
home?
some to the city. Some calamansi. Banana trees and calamansi trees. And ano pa ba to? Coconut. Ano? Dwarf coconut, no? Dwarf coconut. Dwarf coconuts. We will buy something at the store. That's why we're riding our tarak.
Can we have our own tarak-tarak at home?
Tarak. Look to your left, to your right, and back to your left, right? That's how you cross the road.
Go, Chase.
Go, Chase the bear!
What is the home? I bet we're gonna have fun there.
Chase the one
Where
driving.
are we going?
To the store. Where are we going, boss? Driver?
No.
Store.
I thought the stores were the other way. I really thought the stores were the other way.
No, there's a store here. There's one. First store. Then there's another
over
one.
there.
There's another one. There. This is the irrigation beside our farm.
Wait, Chase, nagpapaduit na.
That's the irrigation. Oh, see, there's the store again. Whee! Uy, hulog na sa kanal.
Okay, hold on.
We're here at the store now. Come on, love. I'll check what you want to buy there. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? It's a cream, man.
Is there a big version of milk?
You say, Ayo, Chase.
Ice cream.
Pang Shh, lower your voice.
Isn't that shout?
Tapang.
You.
That's Alaska, that's a cream.
Okay, what do you want?
Is there ice cream ba daw?
I would like chocolate
You want the Chase?
vanilla.
Yeah, ice cream?
This one. You want this?
Two chocolate? You also chocolate?
Yeah.
Sige na, go there.
Me, what will mama?
Oh, what else?
Peanut butter? You love peanut butter?
Yeah.
Okay, what else do you want?
What else?
What else you gonna buy,
You, Chase.
Chase?
Chase,
Oh, fit. That's all.
what do you want? You want cupcake? They have cupcake, oh.
I don't think he will eat cupcake.
You want cupcake? Hindi na. No? Oh, we're all done na?
Yeah, I'm gonna choose pa. Dali na. Wait, don't pressure me. Dali lang. Tepya, to start yung tequila.
Ito ba?
Opo.
Open.
Di ka ng piwi. Good way, gamay-gamay anak te. Kani unsa ni kani puti good day unsa ni te.
Bugnaw tanan. Sige, okay ra.
Kaning shrimp good day kaning yummy unsa no eh. Ayo. Kani siya.
Kaniferi.
Ay, na di super crunch, no?
Opo.
Super crunch na lang, te, kanang green. Tagpila.
13 po.
Sige, kana. Super crunch na lang.
Matawag sa sister bago.
Mga asawa tagpangit.
Tama.
Okay, oh. We will eat ice cream na. Oh, that's all I want.
Okay na daw.
Oh, no, 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 no. Here, oh, here.
Basta sigurado ko 100 plus.
21. What? This is my.
Thank you.
Thank you. You stay with your mama ka.
Thank you.
Guys ready?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go back to the farm. Why?
Yummy.
Yummy ice cream.
Wow, guys.
Hold.
Yeah.
Okay, ice cream. Papa's driving. So, Chase, take your ice cream mo. This is the entrance to our farm. Going back to the farm. Ayan, titit.
Turn left.
Oh, turn left.
But Chase, the other day we saw a snake here, right?
What?
Snake.
You saw a snake here?
Right,
Oh! Really? Is it big or just
Chase? Long.
longer one? Oh! Really, Chase? Were you scared?
Cross the street.
Oh, oh, you're not scared. Chase is so brave.
Is that venomous one?
We don't know.
I guess not.
Okay. We're missing na.
I'm scared if it's only venomous.
Don't touch snakes, eh?
Oh, there's a fly on Jade.
No!
Ah!
Oh, ano nangyari? Woo! Ah! It's bumpy! Okay, we're back.
Yeah.
That was fun. Dada.
So fun. Did you have fun, guys?
Yeah.